this is the Bat Math from Bath Haven, and you can see it's getting stained from my red hair dye here. It's got these great suction cups on the back. I love taking baths. I am a big believer in bath taking. So here I am demoing this in the bath. Just kidding. You don't really want to see this old lady getting into a bathtub. even in a bathing suit, right? So anyways, got these great suction cups. This sits right up there, got a nice headrest, and then the whole thing lays out, which is cool. And so when I get out of the shower, I just hang this guy up like this, boom. I just hang him up against my shower. When I get out of the bath, hang him, and then he just dries really nicely. I'd like to thank Bath Haven for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I am a huge believer in bath time. I probably use this at least 2 to 3 times a week. Sometimes more, like if my body's in a lot of pain, I get in a lot more. But at least a couple times a week. I believe in strong self-care, about taking care of yourself, and I think doing a really nice Epsom salt bath and being super comfortable in there is like awesome. I think to me it's just like, oh, it's my total zen. I love it. So yeah, so Bath Haven really has it. They have another pillow one. I haven't tried that one, but the long one, this is the full bath one. It is fantastic, and I've used it for quite a while. Again, when I like to hang it up on the side of the shower when I get out to drain back into the bathtub. You want to make sure you drain it as soon as you can. It is pretty porous. But you can also roll this guy up, and it comes with a bag that you can just throw them in the washer so the suction cups aren't going to get stuck or anything in your washer. But you just roll this guy up, throw him in the bag, and you can wash him as well. And he washes really nicely, really well. So again, thank you, Bath Haven.